Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking. In this video, we are going to examine tools feature number 4, Compare Documents, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Tools and click on Compare Documents, the following menu appears. In order to select a document I would like to compare with my open Google Doc, I must click on My Drive. I can now use the options on this screen to search for a Google Doc. I could search using the options listed at the top or the search bar, or I could explore through my folders. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to click on the file here, and then I'm going to click on Open. As can be seen, my document is ready for comparison. If I was working on this document with another person, I could change who I attribute the differences to, perhaps to that other individual. I could also, if I so desired, choose to include comments from the selected document. Once I have my preferred settings, I need to click Compare for the two documents to be compared. The menu will load, and eventually it will say Comparison is ready. I can now click Open and see what the comparison demonstrates. As can be seen, there are a lot of differences between the two documents I selected. This feature can be useful if there are similar versions of a Google Doc that need to be compared for a final product. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.